Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you out how you can fix your TalkBack feature. If you have enabled your TalkBack feature, how you can turn off this in your OnePlus device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. How you can open it, you can see it is not opening right now. You have to take two fingers and swipe up like this, and this green line shows that it is selected, and you have to select a pattern like this. And friends, then you have to swipe up like this, like this. Take two fingers and swipe like this. Click on settings one time, then two times to open it. Then swipe down like this, go to additional settings. Here it is. Double tap to enable on this. And friends, then you have to simply go to accessibility, double tap, go to vision, double tap, go to TalkBack to off this settings. Turn off then by clicking on stop, double tap this, and friends, you can see TalkBack is off, and you can use your mobile normally. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.